How to withdraw from Bullx. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Bullx. So let's get started.
Bullx offers many number of tokens. For that you can click on these three horizontal lines over here and know which tokens or chains it offers. So now you can see when you click on chains over here, there are a number of tokens that Bullx is supporting right now, and you can see those are Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, Blast and Solana. But right now I'm wishing to withdraw Solana, so I'm just going to click on Solana. If you wish to withdraw from any of the chains apart from Solana, you can just click on this respective chain and then click on start trading, and now you'll be able to see only the Solana pairs.
After that, click on these three horizontal lines at the top right and then click on wallet manager over here. So after that you now have to add any wallet over here. So here you can either select wallet from here at the bottom, or you can even select wallet or withdraw from here. So once you click on that, you have to type down the withdraw token, so you can select the token which you wish to withdraw. I've clicked on Solana and you can see that I have 0 Solana, that's why it's written 0. However, if you do have Solana, it will be displayed over here, and then you have to type down the withdraw address or from which platform you wish to withdraw, and type down the address of that. And once you've done that, you have to write down the amount. So here you can either select the amount as percentage or the amount. So you can type down a 25%. That means that 25% of your total Solana would be withdrawn by you. Or apart from that, you can even type down the amount manually without any specific percentages, and then you can type down the address where you wish to send the Solana or withdraw that to. So that's pretty much it, and that's basically how you can add withdraw on Bullx. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.